सदर ट्रंप ने ईरान के खिलाफ कार्रवाई कामयाब करार दे दी। पासदारान इनकलाब और ईरानी मुसल्लह अफवाज हथियार डाल दें वरना मारे जाएंगे। वाज़े किया कि ईरान में ऐसी हुकूमत को बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे जो अमरीका और इसराइल के लिए ख़तरा बने। दावा किया कि ईरानी बहरिया ख़त्म हो चुकी है, मिसाइल्स और ड्रोन्स भी तबाह हो जाएंगे। ये भी कहा कि ईरान ने डील के लिए कॉल की, लेकिन हमने कहा कि अब बहुत देर हो चुकी है।
States military, together with the wonderful Israeli partners, continues to totally demolish the enemy far ahead of schedule and at levels that people have never seen before, actually. We're destroying more of Iran's missiles and drone capability every single hour, knocking them out like nobody thought was possible. As soon as they set off a missile, within 4 minutes, the launcher gets hit. They don't know what's happening. But we have the greatest military anywhere in the world. Their Navy is gone. 24 ships in 3 days. That's a lot of ships. Their anti-aircraft weapons are gone. So they have no air force. They have no air defense. All of their airplanes are gone. Their communications are gone. Missiles are gone. Launches are gone. About 60% and 64% respectively. And they're calling. They're saying, how do we make a deal? I said, you're being a little bit late. And we want to fight now more than they do. And I'm once again calling on all members of the Iranian Revolutionary Guard, the military, and the police to lay down their arms. You'll be perfectly safe with total immunity, or you'll face absolutely guaranteed death. And I don't want to see that. They don't want to see it either. We also urge Iranian diplomats around the world to request asylum and to help us shape a new and better Iran. But what's happening with Cuba is amazing. And we think that we want to finish this one first.